living under pressure. Words never find their right way, their way to you. Hold on for a second, know that the problem won't change. It's not fair to you. Below all the rubble and symphonies rumble, there lies a heart beating still. I'm not okay, but I'm not insane. Although with the way I act, it might seem that way. It's complicated, the way that my brain's in the middle of a rain cloud where it drowns all its days. There's something safe in the rain. There's something safe. There's something safe in the rain. Might sound kinda stupid. My heart, it digs its own grave right under you.